Discover the City of Love beyond its famed Dinagyang Festival, century-old churches, majestic mansions, and unspoiled countryside through its exotic dishes. Here are top 13 dishes you should try to complete your Iloilo culinary experience. Number 1. LASWA. This simple Ilonggo vegetable soup, which is particularly rich in fiber, is similar to the famous Dindeng of Ilocano cuisine. The only difference is that LASWA is usually seasoned with salt, while Dindeng recipes use bagoong. Number 2. KANSI. KANSI is like a collaboration between two famous Filipino dishes, bulalo and sinigang. KANSI usually uses tender and delicious beef shanks flavored with a type of sour fruit called the batuan. And instead of using usual sinigang vegetables such as kangkong, okra, and gabi, KANSI uses a unique alternative, langka or jackfruit. Number 3. KBL. KBL is a popular Ilonggo soup dish with a tasty and sour flavor. Like the name suggests, KBL uses kadyos or pigeon peas, pork, and langka or jackfruit. It also has a huge similarity with KANSI because it uses the button fruit to produce a natural sour flavor. Number 4. BATCHOY. BATCHOY is considered one of the most iconic dishes in Iloilo and the whole country. This exquisitely delicious noodle soup consists of pork meat, chicharon, egg noodles, flavorful broth, and raw egg as the main ingredient. This extraordinary dish originated from the small town of La Paz, Iloilo, and is characterized by an oozing savory and delicious liquid gold soup. Number 5. Pansit Molo. Pansit Molo is another traditional Ilonggo soup dish that originated from the town of Molo in Iloilo, where several Chinese immigrants lived in the past. It's a soup highly similar to the famous wonton soup of the Chinese. These molo dumplings, usually made of ground pork and a combination of different herbs and spices, are made more hearty and exquisite with shredded chicken and toasted garlic. Number 6. Chicken Binakol. Chicken binakol is another iconic Ilonggo chicken dish, but this time in the form of a hearty soup. This one's highly similar to chicken tinola, but what makes it unique is coconut meat water and coconut water as soup bases. Chicken binakol is also best cooked using native chicken simmered for several hours. Number 7. Pinamalhan nga isda. Pinamalhan nga isda is an all-time favorite Ilonggo dish, which is basically a fish stew. Usually, the fishes used are bangus, salmonete, bilong-bilong, sapsap, abo, and many more. This dish, rich in overflowing flavors, come from combinations of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, salt, oil, and many more spices cooked over low heat for several hours. Number 8. APAN. Another blockbuster Ilonggo dish is the APAN, a delicious version of the popular adobong kangkong. The richness of flavor bonds well with the kangkong and is made extra special by adding crispy fried pork toppings called tulapho. Number 9. Adobo nga takway. Takway is what the Ilonggos refer to as the parts of a gabi plant that grows sideways. Cooking adobo nga takway follows the same process as those of the other adobo recipes. You just have to substitute the major ingredient with takway. Number 10. Baked talaba. One of the best ways to cook talaba is by baking it with butter, garlic, and cheese. Baked talaba is genuinely a heavenly Ilonggo dish, and I bet no one could ever resist it. Number 11. Chicken TINUOM. Chicken TINUOM is another iconic Ilonggo dish that promises delicious combination flavors and texture. This yummy chicken recipe is made with native chicken seasoned with onions, tomatoes, and tanglad, wrapped by a banana leaf. Number 12. Pangat. Pangat is famously known as the Ilonggo-style laing, which uses the flavorful combination of coconut milk and laing or taro leaves. What makes pangat unique and special is the addition of the Ilonggo's very own batuan, adding extra layers of flavor and texture to this already irresistible dish. Number 13. TAMBO. Bamboo shoots boiled with okra, shrimps, and coconut milk. One of the favorite Ilonggo dishes cooked with TAMBO has gata, tugabang, okra, corn, crabs, or shrimps.